In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to an image in Google Docs, a tool that can really come in handy when you want to create engaging documents with a personal touch. So, whether you're preparing a professional report, a school project, or just adding some fun flair to your notes, these steps will help you integrate text into images seamlessly. To begin, open your Google Doc where you'd like to insert the image with text. Position your cursor where you want the image to appear in the document. This will help you easily find the image once it's inserted. Next, head over to the top menu. Click on the Insert tab, then slide on down to Drawing. You'll see a submenu pop up, and from there, select Plus New. This action will open up a fresh drawing canvas. It's your main workspace for combining and customizing your image and text. Inside this canvas, you'll find an array of simple yet effective tools. Let's start by adding our image. Look towards the toolbar at the top and click on the image icon. This icon looks like a small mountain range with a sun or moon hovering above, a little visual cue. Clicking this icon allows you to upload your chosen image from your computer or select an image from your Google Drive. Take a moment to locate the image you want to use, then upload or select it. Once added, the image will appear in the drawing canvas, and you can immediately start crafting your visual masterpiece. Now, with your image placed, it's time to add some text. Find the text box tool in the toolbar. It's represented by a capital T icon. Click it to activate, then move your cursor back over to your image. You'll want to draw a square or rectangle across the section of the image where you'd like the text to appear. After forming the text box, click inside it and type in your desired text. This is your chance to customize, change fonts, sizes, colors, and more until you achieve the exact look you're aiming for. It's all about making the text complement the image, so take as much time as you need to get this right. Once you're happy with the text, you can easily adjust its position within the image. Simply click and drag to move it, or click and pull on the edges to resize the text box, ensuring everything aligns just as you prefer. With the image now featuring perfectly placed text, it's time to bring it all back into your document. Make your way to the top right corner of the drawing window and click the blue Save and Close button. This action seals your hard work. And just like that, the drawing, including your image with text, is inserted into your Google Doc precisely where you placed your cursor at the beginning. There you have it, a personalized image with text that elevates your document to a new level of engagement and professionalism.